Good morning, friends. Today I'll be discussing with you about, the types of charges, pledge, hypothecation, and mortgage. If some of you have some doubts, you can come and ask the clarification for doubts regarding these. Um, yeah, I will post it to G all groups G6, G5, G2, G3, G4. Okay, I'll again go. I'll give this to G, G7, yeah, then target, ABPS, banking aspirants, legendary group. Yeah. So now I have posted the links to various groups. If some of you come online, you can watch it through live stream also. Now, what is meant by hypothecation? Where is hypothecation created? Hypothecation is created in respect of movable assets. For example, say a company selling television, then mobiles, etc. They want to raise funds against that. They will have to offer their goods as security, that is under hypothecation. In the case of hypothecation, the goods will be under the custody of the customer. The customer will be holding it, and also he'll be selling it. As and when he sells it, he will remit the money into the bank. This is type of charge is taken in respect of, say, open cash credit. Open cash credit is an account where a limit is granted to the customer. Say a limit of, say, 10 lakhs is granted to the customer, and they say a margin of, say, 50% has to be maintained, and then in which case the customer has to give a statement declaring that he has got stocks worth 20 lakhs. After allowing 50% discount, he'll be eligible to draw up to 10 lakhs. And in case he has only 10 lakhs worth of goods, after allowing margin, he'll be eligible to draw up to 5 lakhs. The advantage of a cash credit account is similar to an overdraft account, where the customer is paying interest only for the amount actually drawn by him, not for the full limit. That is one specific advantage. And the goods that are offered has to be insured. The bank will see it is insured with the name of the bank given as, say, under charge. It is hypothecated to so and so, hypothecatee. That details will be mentioned in the, say, say the insurance document, so that in case something happens, say fire happens or some other claim is to be made, the settlement will be made to the bank. So this is known as hypothecation. In the case you have hypothecation in respect of, say, vehicle advances also, say scooter, car, then say auto rickshaw, cars, taxis. They can be hypothecated, and you might have seen the notice, I mean, it would have been written on the back of the vehicle, hypothecated to so and so bank. So not only that, say the charge in favor of the bank will be registered in the RC book, registration certificate book, that is issued for the vehicle. Say in the case of buying a house property, we get a sale deed. In the case of say a movable property, we get a registration certificate. In that certificate, the name of the bank would have been mentioned as say hypothecate. So in case the say the in case the loan is cleared, the bank will release the hypothecation. So this is in respect of hypothecation. And if you have any doubts, please raise it in say WhatsApp column or through comments here. But yeah, so that's what I would like to tell you regarding hypothecation. This comes in the case of say open cash credit. Open cash credit means what? The borrower is having the goods with him. He will sell the goods. He will arrange to remit the money into the bank. He will give a statement of account every month. The bank will make an inspection of the properties. So this is what is known as hypothecation. Another aspect of the say charge creation is known as pledge. Where is a pledge coming? A pledge will come in the case of say pledge of jewel loans. What is jewel loan? Say you can go and give your gold ornaments to the bank and raise loan against it, and the bank will allow, depending on the rates prevalent on that day, per gram they will be allowing this much, 22 carat gold. So accordingly, once you take loan, you will be giving as security the say jewel, and that jewel will be kept under pledge with the bank. Once the jewel loan is cleared, the ornament will be released back to the customer. So this is known as a pledge. The pledge also comes in the case of key cash credit. I repeat, key cash credit. What is key cash credit? It is also similar to an overdraft account where a customer is allowed a limit. Say, let us take the same example. He is offered a limit of say 10 lakhs, a margin of 50%. Then if the here in this case, what happens? The goods are stored, goods are finished goods or work in process, they are stored in say godown, and in that godown they will be keeping the goods. The godown will be insured. That is, for the goods that are there in the godown, insurance will be taken for full value. And also say the borrower is supposed to give a statement every month to the bank. Every month he is supposed to give a statement to the bank giving details of say the cost of goods that he has got. Depending on that, the limit will be allowed in the key cash credit account. Here in this case, supposing he has 20 lakhs, then 50% margin, then 20 minus 50% means 10 lakhs, then he'll be eligible for 10 lakhs, that full limit. Supposing he has 30 lakhs goods also, even then the maximum of 10 lakhs, that is a limit sanction, will be allowed to him. And in both the cases, say key cash credit as open cash credit, the accounts are supposed to be reviewed every 6 months. The accounts are supposed to be renewed every year. So these are some of the points regarding say the pledge or in the case of pledge, that is key cash credit. So these are the things I would like to tell you regarding this. And yeah, let me try to find out whether I omitted some points and try to give you. The pledge is covered under section 172 of Indian Contract Act. Pledge is bailment, that is delivery of goods as security for payment of a loan. Only goods, movable assets excluding actionable claims can be pledged. And I have told you the difference between hypothecation and pledge also. In the case of pledge, the goods will be under the custody of the bank. Whereas in the case of hypothecation, the goods will be under the custody of the customer. In both cases, the nature of goods is, say, movable goods. Yeah. So these are some of the points I thought I can tell you regarding this hypothecation and pledge. Thank you.